Pre-reading, meet Ethel. Ethel L. Payne was a famous reporter known as the First Lady of the Black Press. She became famous for asking questions and reporting about things that helped the Black community. Think and talk. For most of her career, Ethel worked as a White House reporter and asked questions of the president. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer the following question. And remember, if you're at home, you can just write your answer on a sheet of paper, or you can turn and talk with someone who's there with you. The question is, if you could ask the president a question, what would you ask? Go. I'm going to have you start wrapping up your conversations in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set a purpose. Ethel loved writing and reporting. Listen to find out how she built her career and helped her community. So we are going to now click on the link to listen to this read aloud and try to determine the main idea of this text.